SoundAnchor's flat-screen monitor stands eliminate the need for wall mounting of large TVs and monitors. These stands easily attach and support any flat-screen monitor. The mounting system is constructed of stainless steel and anodized aluminum. The monitor stand and auxiliary platform combine a durable light texture black finish with heavy-duty construction. With various base and height combinations, these stands will fit any purpose. SoundAnchor stands also feature heavy-duty wheels for ultra-smooth mobility and stability, as well as optional leveling pads for special equipment and uneven surfaces. Our customers have been using our stands since 1986 for schools, churches, studios, theaters, demo facilities, trade shows, and conferences throughout the world.